Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a paper snowflake. So let's start. So the materials are colored papers, scissors, a stick, a pen, glue, and if you don't have colored papers, you can use some Post-its. So you can choose any size as long as it's a square. If you use the 7.5 cm papers, you'd only need 4 pieces. But if you use the 9 cm, you would need 10 pieces. Glue the paper at the center. Next, poke the stick into the middle. Invert the folds from the side. Just copy it onto the other one. Well, thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye!